A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. A, B, C.
Alex, nagunsa ka?
Oh, nag-file ka sa mga complaints.
Yeah, pero anong nagkanta man ka sa ABC?
Oh, that's how I know kung unsay sunod na letter sa alphabet.
Sorry. Pero pasabot nimo kay kailangan nimo kantahon ng ABC para makabalo ka unsay sunod na letter sa alphabet, murag bata.
Yeah. Doesn't everyone?
I mean, maybe when I was 7 years old.
What? Really?
Yes!
So makabalo ra ka unsay sunod na letter sa alphabet without having to sing.
Oh, I mean, obviously, Alex, I'm not a kid.
Oh, what comes after letter L?
Really? What letter comes after L?
Yeah.
What? It, What comes after L?
Yeah, what comes after letter L?
It's M.
Oh, pero imo man gikanta.
Oh my good.
Oh, well, unsay sunod sa letter S?
Oh, come on. Seryoso?
Yeah.
After S is it's T, obviously.
Pero imo man gikanta na sad.
Wa lagi.
Pero nakabati ko nimo.
Wa na ako gikanta ang ABC.
Imo gikanta, nakabati ko.
Di ko kailangan mo kanta ana.
Why are you guys singing the ABC song?
Because it's the only way para makabalo unsay sunod na letter sa alphabet, Felix.
Are you guys telling me na kailangan ninyo kantahon ng ABC na song para makabalo mo unsay sunod na letter sa alphabet?
Yes!
So ano, A?
Oh, okay. Alright, Felix. What comes after letter T sa alphabet?
What letter comes after T in the alphabet?
Yeah, what comes after T?
Stupid.
Now, go.
Yip 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 yip